We're here at the Little Fawn Campground boat ramp launch here in Deschutes National Forest, Central Oregon. And you got a little day use area to the right here. You got parking and then two clearly defined day use picnic sites. And then here we have our boat ramp launch, the Paddler's Delight Kayaking Wonderland Zone, south side, south shoreline of Elk Lake. Let's go take a look. Also point out we have a world-class beach, day use beach. Sunbathe or have a little picnic on the mighty banks of Elk Lake. Oh, very beautiful. As far as the quality of it, it's paved up to here. There's a bit of a lip and then it's gravel the rest of the way into the lake. Most trucks with trailers should easily be able to do this. It's not like, pristine smooth as you'd like ideally a boat ramp launch to be, but it is serviceable, it works, you can get your boat in. Ultimately, that's what matters, but they absolutely could clean this up. And here we are at the shoreline of beautiful Elk Lake. Look at that. Crystal clear water, a little bit of wind right now, getting a little bit of rippage. I'm digging it. As I said, this is a kayaker canoe paddler's delight zone, a world-class destination. Also great for swimming in the dead heat of summer. I'll say it's kind of interesting. Today is October 16th, 2025. When I got here, it was 27 degrees according to my Jeep Wagoneer. The next week or two, this area will close. They will close the gates for Cascade Lakes Scenic Byway for the 2025 season. So it'll become a winter wonderland zone with Mount Bachelor and a series of high-quality snow parks with rustic log cabins being a center of winter snow play for the next several months, next 6 months or so. And then this will open back up in, June, July. Varies each year based on the snow melt. So this is one of these areas where you get where the getting's good. You only get like 3 months or so to come up here and camp and boat and hike and kayak and canoe and swim and just enjoy the majesty that is Central Oregon. This Cascade Lakes zone is absolutely spectacular. So I thought I'd take full advantage. We have good weather this week. It literally snowed for the first time a couple days ago. There's snow on the sides of the road, but we're at a little lower elevation, about 4,800 feet. No snow here right now. So South Sister is bright white marshmallow pop with a fresh new coating of snow. This will be getting snow in the next week or two. I thought I'd come down and get one final look at our close trusty friend Elk Lake before the end of the summer season. Technically in fall, but just kind of the edge of the shoulder season right now. And come enjoy Elk Lake. Final views of the year. Oh man, it's a really beautiful area. I live in Central Oregon. I love Central Oregon. This is a wonderland zone, Alpine Lake, Alpine Forest, just magical. I think as you see this area, and this is one of dozens of lakes in the area, you can see why this is a wonderland destination zone. Oh man, this, my friend, absolutely beautiful. Here's our restroom and our parking area for the Little Fawn Group Campground Day Use Picnic Zone. Little sign says no overnight camping. So you can park here, get overflow for our boat ramp launch. And you got a picnic site right here. Good views of Elk Lake. We're on the south shoreline of Elk Lake. So this is our day use area. We've got a centralized picnic site. We got a restroom, the sun peeking through, lighting up beautiful Deschutes National Forest. Come over here and you've got an overwatch view of beautiful Elk Lake. We're on the south shoreline. Signs say no overnight camping. So this is not a camping zone, as tempting as that might be. This is more of a day use area on the edge of Little Fawn Group Campground, part of the extended infrastructure. Come down here, we got a world-class beach. Fun area to come down here, do a little sunbathing, maybe get your picnic on with your family and friends. Gotta say, look at that pin drop still, Elk Lake, that is beautiful. Got that come hither quality. Take your kayak or your canoe or just go swimming on a hot summer day. If you hop in a kayak, you can circumnavigate the lake or go to the center, and it actually gives you a money shot of South Sister around the trees, around the corner here, world-class views. And last but not least, I'll point out, you got right now yellow autumn foliage. The trees have turned. It's October 16, 2025, 27 degrees. And you've got the fall colors, the fall foliage, the autumn splendor and magic here at Elk Lake on the shoreline. So there's our beach shoreline. Here's our signage. And you can see here it says day use area. That would be this area. This is adjacent to our boat ramp launch, as well as our vast shoreline up against the banks of mighty Elk Lake. Gives you a nice little area over here pull your vehicle up here on the road. I guess you want to park on the shoulder here on the right. It's a little obtuse how this is designed. It doesn't really have picnic sites here on the right. It's just kind of a generic section of beautiful Deschutes National Forest. Come up here, maybe it gets a little bit more exciting over here. I see some ducks playing on Elk Lake. Man, this is gorgeous. I'm loving these trees. It's October 16, 2025, so the trees have turned, my friend. They are yellow, which I frankly appreciate. Here it says no camping, understandably so, because otherwise this would be like a perfect place to camp right on the shoreline of Elk Lake. So this is your day use area. This is kind of a stall for day use. And then here's the second stall. It says no camping. Got a little primrose path here. We will take it, because why not? Over here, I think this is just going to get us another little swath of Elk Lake Shoreline. We're on the south side of Elk Lake. North side is where the Elk Lake Resort is, Elk Lake Campground, and then kind of the west side is where Point Campground is. So this is a day use area, thinking like a picnic situation. There's not a lot of parking spots. You have room for a couple of vehicles before this little path, so it's not like this is a corporate retreat where you're going to want 10 cars. They wouldn't fit in this area, but you have enough for a family or group of friends. Come down here. A little bit of a walk, keeping it real. If you're lugging like a igloo and some picnic supplies, that could be a little burdensome, but once you get down here, it's well worth it. There's kind of a little peninsula, and here's our lake shoreline, beautiful Elk Lake. Kind of interesting because this is almost like a boat ramp launch, but clearly have no way to get a vehicle over here, so this is just meant to be a nice little launching pad. Maybe if you carried some canoes or some kayaks over here. I'm a kayaker. I got urus and pungos. Come over here and right into the water, smooth as it gets. Man, Elk Lake's special. Look at this. I mean, this is gorgeous. Never get tired of hanging out here on the shoreline of Elk Lake. And look at that crystal clear water. See right to the bottom, as clear as it gets, mountain glacial water. And look at how beautiful this area is, my friend. Something very inviting about this crystal clear water. You can see right to the bottom. Look at this. It is a kayaker's paddler's delight. This is as good of a swimming and kayaking lake as exists on planet Earth.